My name is Mattias Johansson. I was a tennis player before and is now a professional pickleball player and the #1 singles player in the world for senior pros. So this one is a year old, this one is 8 weeks old.
How's this one feeling?
I mean, that's what I said. This one is actually better than what this one is already. I did receive a stem cell treatment here in Nashville 10 days before my second knee replacement. I feel really blessed, to have had this opportunity, first of all. And since I have had one before in my right knee, I can definitely compare the results to my left knee. We are around 50 days out from my second knee replacement, and I'm already much stronger than what my right knee has been for the last year. And a couple of weeks ago, I actually started hitting tennis balls again for the first time, and that was first time in 5 years. I think really more and more people will start looking into stem cell treatment over surgeries, that's for sure. I cannot really express my appreciation towards you and R3, what you guys have done for my life and for my career. And yes, I'm hoping that the benefits from this will continue and that other people will seek the stem cell treatment that we know that they can benefit from. So thank you.